Livestock markets had a strong finish to the week with live cattle, feeder cattle, and lean hogs all posting gains. At the close, December live cattle $1.15 higher to $187.32. January feeder cattle, which is now the most actively traded contract, $2.37 higher to $245.50. And on the snout side, we saw December lean hogs 15 cents higher to $77.82. The weekly export sales report was out this morning, a day later than usual due to Monday's holiday. That report showed net sales of beef at 14,100 metric tons. That was up 3% from the previous week, but down 9% from the prior 4-week average. Japan was the primary buyer there, followed by South Korea and China. Net sales of pork, that was reported at 38,100 metric tons, down about 25% from the previous week, but still up about 1% from the prior 4-week average. Mexico was the primary buyer there, followed by Japan and Colombia. This morning's boxed beef report firm yet again. Choice cuts $1.33 higher to $320.59, and select cuts $1.23 higher to $294.75. The 5-area average price for live cattle through the week remained steady near $187. Yesterday's daily slaughter report that came in at 118,000 head. That puts the week-to-date total at 488,000 head. That's up about 14,000 from last week, but down about 14,000 from the same period last year.